You know when a listing says it's close to everything? Well, this one actually is. Enjoy the Quarterpath hiking trail right around the corner. And for those four-legged members of the family, there's even a dog park nearby. And you don't even have to leave the community to get a workout in. The fitness center is right here. Pool day, no driving required. It's right here in the community. And Colonial Williamsburg, right around the corner.